Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Windows Media Player that has the wrong album information link. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result, check out Banker Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything would go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup, set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import back in from that backup, all you would do is select File and then Import and then navigate to the file location. So now that that's out of the way, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, and there should be a Microsoft folder in here, so double click on that, and then go down to Media Player, double click on it, and there should be a tuner config folder, just left click on that one time. On the right side, look for a string value in here. This is preferred metadata provider, and double click on it. Whatever's in here, just delete everything and select OK. And then once that's done, you will need to restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do a positive to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.